We're gonna continue with the fan mail.
Okay.
This one is from Wisconsin. Do 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 do. And I noticed in a lot of your fan mails they have like a card.
Yeah.
Is that for you to what? Just sign
Just sign.
And this is already. So what are you waiting on? When you gonna do this?
I'll do it during the holiday.
You're gonna do it soon.
Christmas, yeah, soon. They just want me to sign. Most of them want pictures, and they don't realize it's terribly expensive to send a photograph to France or to Germany. They all start around $250 to send a photograph.
So it does help that when a fan writes that they should enclose a stamp.
Well, that's okay in the United States. That's reasonable. But when you send a picture to Europe, any place, it's around $2-3.
Wow.
And they all want photographs.
Okay, this one says, hope that you will have a blessed new year. Greetings from Wisconsin. I was reading it and further down, and I was talking to you in the green room, and in her letter she states, did your family really have an ice cream parlor in L.A.? And you answered that for me. What was your answer?
Yes. How she knew that, I don't know, because that was when I was in high school, junior high, when we had the ice cream parlor on 20th and Central.
Wow.
Yeah. Now how she knew that, I don't know.
And she also, which you've already answered, she wanted to know that if you kept in touch with any of the former cast members, and you've answered that because you stated that yes, you do keep in touch with the young lady there who played the part of your daughter.
Yes.
Was it difficult having her as your daughter in the movie Imitation of Life? Was it difficult?
No, it wasn't difficult because I don't know. There was something about Susan. Susan, I don't know if this had anything to do with it, but Susan's father is Jewish, and her mother is Mexican.
Okay.
So we just had sort of a bonding thing going together right from the very beginning when she did the test with me.